What's up, guys? It's your boy. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dr. Smash. Just want to bring you guys a quick video because I just got this spell book in the mail, and I'm going to try the easiest spell in here, which is, of course, a fireball. So let me see here. Okay. I don't see anything that can catch on fire, so let's get this started. Alright. Okay. It's kind of hot. Okay. Got it here. Alright, let's... Alright. It's pretty cool. See if I can make it bigger. Whoa, okay, let's put it out now. Let's put it out. It's hot, it's hot.